Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another daily work from home job lead. This one is offering a $2,000 sign on bonus. In addition to, they pay $19 an hour. Now, this is for my United States folks only. If you are interested in applying, the links are in the YouTube description box below. But today's job lead is from the company FIS Global. Now, they are hiring a remote customer service associate. This customer service associate is going to work directly with their retirement plan. So you will be customer service for retirement plans. Right here at the top, I do just want to note it says this job is available in 4 locations. When you click see all, this little pop-up box comes up. The very first one says remote virtual from any state of the United States. So it does not look like they have any state restrictions. They are basically looking for customer service reps to connect with people with the solutions to help them reach their financial goals through a consultative conversation via the phone. So you're really going to be consulting people on what options that the FIS Global offers that is best for them based on their financial goals and needs. You'll take ownership of customer requests by navigating through the nuances of their individual situations. You'll actively listen to the customer to understand their needs and requests. And so you'll have to understand the whole suite of products and services that are available across multiple channels. Now, of course, a college degree is preferred but is not required. The minimum education requirement is just a high school diploma or GED, but they are looking for people who are great problem solvers, who have great communication skills, and the desire to explore different opportunities. Now, again, they pay $19 an hour. They do offer a benefit package. And of course, there are stipulations on the $2,000 sign-on bonus. It's probably broken down into like your first 90 days or 6 months, something like that. But they are offering a $2,000 sign-on bonus as well. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you are looking for. I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.